All right, let's set the scene. Okay, I'm in bed. School is canceled. Update on that.
Yes,
so,
school's canceled for this week, and then spring break is next week. So
yeah. So more on that in a minute, but we're setting the scene. So I'm still in bed at 7 o'clock in the morning because I can be, right? I didn't have anybody to get to school. And all of a sudden, the house is giving me a massage. Right? So the entire house is shaking. Shaking! That's not something that should be happening, right? I bet it lasted about 5 to 6 seconds, and I was slightly terrified. I felt like, okay, everybody's upstairs, nobody's downstairs, and the shaking wasn't severe enough that I felt like we needed to gather and get somewhere safer. So that happened. There was a earthquake in Utah in our neighboring town, and we have to fight, every morning. Fighting has been just amazing, and I enjoy it so much. But yeah, there was 5.7, Emma?
yeah, it was a 5.7 on the
Richter scale in Magna, Utah, which is probably 3 hours from where we're at. My mom, who's an hour and a half closer to Magna than we are, it was much more severe at her house. She had some things fall off of her shelf, and so that was kind of scary. But we're okay. Everything's good. I didn't feel any aftershocks. My mom did. We were on the phone, and she felt a really big one while we were on the phone. So we are blessed. We are okay. And let the adventure continue, right?
There's like nothing in this bottle.
It's a sample bottle. I didn't buy it. It's a sample.
I know, but wouldn't it be full if it was a sample?
Oh, you would hope so.
It's like right there.
That's sad. This is oil called Cadence. It was a free sample. Look what happened yesterday. Yes, the yarn store barfed on my floor. Barf. Don't do that, Sarah. Don't do that. And then there's some more in these bags. Talk about blessings. That is one of them. My sister-in-law, her mother-in-law, is just kind of cleaning out her stuff and giving things away. And so I was the beautiful recipient of the rainbow. I'm so excited.
Why is it that you need a box?
I'm making a birthday present for my mom.
Oh, yeah? Well, what are you making? Whisper.
One of the granola bars Mom really loves.
Oh, nice.
What? And 2.
Ooh, wow, she'll be happy for that. We just need to find you a box, huh? Go look for a box.
Come on. Then I'm gonna need tape. Where would a box be? Where do you think a box would be?
Well, we need a small box, right?
I found a big giant.
Yeah, but we don't need that.
Some boxes.
There might be a small one inside. Let's go look inside. Found one.
Yeah, but I'm gonna
Okay, let me get some tape.
We gotta close the door.
Oh, okay.
That's why I turned on the light. And
Two.
close the door.
Close the door, Missy.
Where's the tape?
I have it. Okay, just a second. I need to put down the camera. It's the wrong way.
Oopsie. Whoopsie. Oops. Oops. Oops.
There you go.
I need more tape for right there.
There you go. All done.
Wait. down here. What if she opens it down
She won't
here?
open it down there.
When I explain, you have to open it tomorrow.
Oh, for my birthday tomorrow. Okay, I'm excited. Thank you. It is tomorrow.
So you gotta make something for Mom.
Wow.
This is just a dream. This is awesome. I'm such a nerd.
Well, look who's back.
Hi.
What you got?
Crystals. I don't know what they are. I think they're like, I don't know.
Where'd you get them?
And St. George and the Glitter Mountain. That's what our family calls it, though. They call it the Glitter Mountain. So,
Fun.
yeah.
I want one.
You're so full of information.
Yeah.
I went on a really fun hike.
Yeah, I went on a fun hike, and there was a lot of crystals. It looked like it rained crystals there. It was really cool. And it had like this like sign of showing all the things you can get in there, and it was really cool.
That's awesome.
I feel like I'm in a game.
Oh.
First person gamer.
Ready?
Adventures are going on at my house. We ladies are hard at work. Really, really hard at work. Sarah's been watching TV in my bed all day, so don't judge the mess you're seeing. But this is what great friends are made of.
What else am I gonna do on the quarantine? We had planned this before we knew, huh?
You're so right. I just, thought I'd save your sanity. So, and Sophie's trying to take advantage of all of what you have to give, Lurgine.
That's about all I'm skilled with. Then I'll just cuddle the doggy.
This is a project that Jonah had intended to do before he left, and Trent is stepping in and being Superman.
Sorry, Jonah, if it doesn't turn out absolutely perfect.
You know what? He'll never see it. Well, I guess he'll see it on the vlog, but
We won't show him the end product.
right.
No, I've done this before when we built our other house,
Oh, awesome.
but it's been a little while.
Awesome. Well, my agent told me to try it myself because my brother was going to help and he ended up not being able to. And she's like, "Well, can you do it yourself?" I'm like, so I'm super grateful. And if you know who these people are, leave it in the comments below. And if you think they should start vlogging again, leave that in the comments below.
Measure once, cut 30 times.
Yes. Homemade confetti. We could save that for Emma's birthday. That's on Sunday. We could throw it all over and be like, woohoo! Okay, what do you think?
gosh.
When you don't have a handsaw, you try the Miracle Blade. That was an infomercial years ago, and yeah, you just never know when that will come in handy.
Oh my gosh.
I love this knife.
It is a miracle blade.
It's a miracle.
We've used this knife for many of projects, but mostly for bread. But many of homesteading projects have been, we've actually used this. Sprinklers,
That is pretty sharp. On cement board. Oh my gosh. No way.
It's like butter.
What?
I love this
I didn't
knife.
believe it. It did it. That was amazing.
And the blade is fine.
What? You can cut a ripe tomato after that.
You cut bones. I mean,
Yeah.
All right, looks like
All
you're
good.
done. Good job. It's so shiny.
It does look better.
Yeah, that's gonna look really good. That's just the backer board, Missy.
I know, it still looks nice though.
Yeah, it does.
It doesn't look like ugly
carpet, whatever. That'll look really good.
So, come here.
For the night, you're good?
Yes.
Gonna set?
Gonna let it set, and do the grout
The
tomorrow.
grout?
Yeah, I guess we'll go with gray because this stuff is
That's gold.
gonna hide my mistakes a little bit better, but it's expensive, and I already have the other stuff.
Oh, you're so awesome. You are so awesome. I appreciate you. This looks really, really nice. So until tomorrow, thank you very much. Thank you.
My help.
Thanks for joining us on this crazy adventure.
Hopefully, we'll see you tomorrow.